Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another episode of Friday Frights. For this edition, I thought I would talk about the Dover Demon. This cryptid has been spotted in Massachusetts back in the 1970s, and I thought it was kind of interesting and a little spooky, so I thought I would share it with you guys. And if you are new to Friday Frights, what I do is I do my eyeshadow and I talk about things that go bump in the night in the world of the supernatural and the paranormal, because there's nothing that I love more than makeup than the paranormal, and getting to combine them together on my YouTube channel is just amazing. So yay! So I'm not going to keep rambling, and I'm just going to get into creating this look right here and talking about the Dover Demon. The Dover Demon is a small humanoid reported from Dover, Mass. This cryptid was the subject of an intensive scare during the 1970s when multiple witnesses came forward with their sightings. The Dover Demon is described as looking sort of like the gray variety of alien, except it has rosy tan-colored skin instead. The Dover Demon has a large head on a small stick-like body. It can be bipedal, but it often travels on all fours or switches between the two modes of locomotion. It has eyes that glow, usually orange or sometimes green. It does not seem to wear any clothing, unlike the Greys. The Dover Demon doesn't seem to be associated with any UFOs. It just wanders around on its own. Over the span of 2 nights in 1977, several teenagers reported seeing this creature. To this day, there has been no explanation for these sightings. The first account comes from William Bartlett, who was 17 years old at the time. He was the first person to see the Dover Demon. As he and 2 of his friends drove along their local farm street just past 10 p.m., Bartlett saw a creature standing on a wall. Its eyes were glowing. It clearly wasn't a dog or a cat, and it did not have a tail. It had an egg-shaped head. The Dover Demon, as the creature soon became known, appeared more human than animal. Bartlett said it reminded him of children with distended stomachs, but the head had no mouth, no ears, or nose. 2 hours after Bartlett saw it, a 15-year-old named John Baxter was walking his girlfriend home near a heavily wooded area. He said he got within 15 feet of the creature and that it looked a lot like what Bartlett saw. He said the creature had large eyes and tendril-like hands. He saw it standing next to a tree. He actually drew a picture of what he saw, and I'll insert it right here so you can see. The next night, at around April 22nd, at around midnight, a 15-year-old girl named Abby Brabham saw the Dover demon. She said it was standing upright and next to a tree. The locations of the sightings when plotted lay in a straight line over 2 miles, and all the sightings were made near water. There is really no credible explanation for the sightings of the Dover demon, so no one really knows what it could be. So could it be paranormal? Could it just be a group of drunken teens, as some people claim? Who knows? But the real question is, would you want to come face to face with the Dover demon? That's it. That's all I have for you on the Dover demon. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever heard of this cryptid before. If you've known anyone who, has heard this tale, like, kind of firsthand, because it did only happen like 50 years ago, or almost 50 years ago, so it is kind of interesting. And they say, like, Dover, Massachusetts actually has, like, a bunch of interesting kind of, like, cryptid tales too. So of course I will leave the places where I got this information below in case you're interested in finding out more about the Dover demon. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that's totally fine. And I thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets because I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and always stay gay. Remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!